Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So in today's video, I have a very useful item to show you all. See, a lot of people keep looking to buy some external storage drives for themselves, right? Like maybe a hard disk or even an SSD depending on your requirement. If you want a storage drive with lots of capacity at lower price, then usually hard disk is preferable. But if you want something like speed, portability, compactness and reliability, then mostly SSDs are only preferable. And in this video I have like a perfect external SSD for you guys. And the crazy part about it is it offers blazing fast transfer speeds and is literally one of the fastest external SSD I have ever used till now. It's made by Transcend and the model is called as ESD350C. It's a brand new drive from the company, guys, and offers a transfer speeds of up to 1000 MB per second. That is nuts, right? That is literally like GB per second. You can copy either 20 or 30 GB file in less than 30 seconds. Now that is the kind of speed I'm talking about. And not just the transfer speeds, guys, this drive offers a lot of other features as well. It comes with a future-proof Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 port on it. And one more crazy thing is it's also military standard shock proof. So even if you drop it by mistake, nothing's going to happen to it. So this is the drive that we'll be unboxing and testing out in this video. Let's quickly get started with the video. Alright, so here's Transcend's new SSD I was talking about. It comes in this sort of box packaging. The model of this product is ESD350C and it's a super portable palm-sized external storage drive that offers blazing fast speeds. The drive comes in different capacity variants starting from 240 GB. The one I have right now is a 960 GB variant. That means using this you can carry around like 1 terabyte of data in your pocket. That is awesome, right? And one more great thing about the product is it features a future-proof USB 3.1 Type-C interface for connectivity. The drive is available only in one color for now, which is navy blue. And the best part about it is it's also military standard shock-proof. That means even if you drop it by mistake, nothing's going to happen to it. So those were some of its highlights. There's nothing much written on the box, so let's quickly get started with the unboxing. On opening the box, we've got our new external SSD from Transcend. It comes nicely packed like this on a tray. Let me just take it out and show you how it looks like. Are you guys seeing this? It's so small and compact. Love the feel when you hold it in your hand. Before we check out the drive in detail, let's also see what accessories we get in the box. You get some paperwork, make sure to read that. A good quality USB Type-C to Type-A cable. And you also get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable in the box. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product, the Transcend's ESD350C. First impressions, it looks nice, super compact, portable and feels very lightweight in the hand. The drive weighs only around like 87 grams. You've got the Transcend logo at the center and as you can see the entire drive is covered in a navy blue silicone rubber casing that acts like a shock absorbing material and protects your drive. Plus it also makes it look classy. The actual drive is covered in an aluminum alloy housing that acts as a heatsink and keeps it running cool. The ESD350C uses a 3D NAND flash type storage on the inside and offers a max sequential read speeds of up to 1050 Mbps and a max write speeds of up to 950 Mbps. And for the interface, as I've told you before, it uses a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port and also has support for UASP protocol. It's a protocol that offers crazy fast transfer speeds of up to 1 Gbps. The features are really awesome, right? I can't wait to put this drive to a test and show you the results. So let me just quickly connect it to my PC and be right back to continue the video. Alright, I'm back. As you can see, the drive has a LED indicator just beside the port that lights up whenever you connect it. So let me first show you how much space is available out of the box. The model I have is a 960 GB variant, right? So out of the box you get around 894 GB of usable space. And as you can see, I've already been using the drive since a couple of days for all my 4K projects and saving huge gameplay files. And I have to say it was doing a good job. Now let's jump into the performance section. Transcend says that the ESD350C offers a max sequential data transfer rates of around 1 Gbps, which is almost like 1000 Mbps, guys, and we're gonna put that to a test in this video. I've used Crystal Diskmark to run some benchmarks on the drive and check out the max read and write speeds. As you can see, the results are already here and I was very surprised looking at those numbers. Like seriously, that is nuts. It's got a max sequential read speeds of around 769 Mbps and a max write speeds of around 723 Mbps. It's a crazy fast drive that is almost 3 times faster than a regular hard disk. But actually I was expecting to see results of around 900 or 1000 Mbps because the brand mentioned that, right? But this is what I got in practical world testing when I connected via USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port. Nevertheless, for your info, this is still the fastest external SSD I've used till now. Most of the other external SSDs usually get only around like 400 or 500 Mbps only in this testing. So now it's time to put this SSD to a practical real world test. We'll be copying some huge files to and from the drive and see what kind of data transfer rates we'll be getting in the real world usage. As you can see, I've got a lot of files on the drive, right? First, I'll be copying this huge 4K projects folder consisting of multiple 4K files from the Transcend drive to my desktop and show you the speeds. Whoa, we've got a max transfer speeds of around 400 to 300 Mbps and gradually came down to 200 Mbps. Now this was the case when I was copying files when connected via USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C to Type-C port. So based on this speed, we could copy a 9 GB folder consisting of multiple 4K files in under 42 seconds. Now let's do the same test but in a reverse order. We will be copying the same 4K projects folder but this time from the desktop to the drive and see the results. Holy smokes, are you guys seeing those speeds? An average of around 420 Mbps. Wow, that means we could copy a 9 GB file from my PC to this SSD in just 22 seconds. Now that is the kind of speed I'm talking about. One thing I've observed during my testing was the transfer speeds were almost double when copying files from a PC or laptop to the drive than in the reverse order. Just check out this clip here where I'll be redoing the copy test with a single 4K file of around 4 GB. Anyways, I can still say that this is one of the fastest external portable SSD I've used till now. It was doing a great job with excellent transfer speeds. On the overall, I was quite happy with the results. Transcend's ESD350C is a great portable external SSD that is compact, lightweight, and offers blazing fast transfer speeds on the go. And the best part is, it's also military standard shockproof. It's available in different capacities starting from 240 GB to all the way up to 960 GB. Especially for content creators like me who shoot and edit a lot of 4K videos that occupy a lot of space, this Transcend's rugged portable SSD is a great choice of storage. Well, that's it for today. That was my video on this product. The ESD350C is a compact, portable and easy to carry solution that offers super fast transfer speeds and comes with a future-proof USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port. Everything was great about the product, but the only thing I felt was the pricing was a bit on the expensive side. 240 GB capacity variant itself costs around 6,200 rupees, while my 960 GB variant costs around 14,500 rupees in India. I'll just leave links to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.